3-69. Copy and complete each of the diamond problems below. The pattern used in the diamond problems is shown at right. So if we have two numbers here, xy means x times y, and then down at the bottom we would add them together. The first one gives you these two numbers, 3.5 and 1/2. I'm going to move this up a little bit so you can see it better. So when we add 3.5 plus 1/2, 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1, and then we just add that to the 3 and we get 4. So when we add them together, oh, that goes down here. All right. When you multiply them, 3.5 times 1/2, we need to change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7/2 times 1/2. 7 times 1, 2 times 2. You can leave that as an improper fraction, 7/4, or you can change it to a mixed fraction. 4 goes into 7 once with a remainder of 3/4. The second one asks for two numbers that multiply to equal -28. Because this is negative, we know that one of these numbers is negative and one of them is positive. Here are my choices. 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 3 doesn't go into 28, 4 times 7, 7 times 4, and we get back to the same numbers. So negative and positive, they would never add up to 3. A negative and a positive, if I made the two negative, they would add up to positive 12. If I made the 14 negative, they would add up to negative 12. 4 and 7, if I make the 4 positive and the 7 negative, they would add up to -3. But if I make the 4 negative and the 7 positive, when you add them together, you get +3, and when you multiply them, you get -28. All right, this one, we're looking for a number that adds to 7 to get to -15. -15 is more negative than -7 is, so we must have added another negative number to get down here, and that is -8, because -7 plus -8 equals -15. When we multiply them together, a negative times a negative is positive. 7 times 8 is 56. The last one, we are looking for two numbers that multiply to equal 10, but add up to 7. They're going to both be positive because they multiply to be positive and they add up to be positive. So our choices are 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. 1 and 10 multiplies to equal 10, but it adds up to 11, so that is not our answer. 2 times 5 equals 10, and 2 plus 5 adds up to 7. So our answer is 2 and 5, and it doesn't matter if you put the 2 and then the 5, or the 5 and then the 2. That's it.